Good morning. It is Thursday, March 22nd. Another day in the week. Stacy's going to school now. I gotta take her. And then I get to go back home for like a couple hours and relax. And apparently, no matter what I do, the car engine makes a sound really bad. I don't want to cover the mic, so I don't know. It's fine when she holds the camera, but when I hold the camera, you can't understand anything. It's morning. She's not talkative. Behave. Hi again. So now I'm gonna go to class. You know, it's another school day for me. And today's a long day because I don't finish until like 9:30. But I look better now, don't I? I look so bad in the morning. I'm just not a morning person. I was gonna say something else though, but now I can't remember. What is wrong with me? I can never remember anything. I'm only 25 and I can't remember. God. Oh, did you guys like Squee at the end of yesterday's vlog? I liked them. It's I figured out that Photoshop could animate, but the little opening animation thing that I made just using Windows Movie Maker and a bunch of still pictures came out better than me actually trying to use the Anime Format. I think that's kind of meh. Anyways, oh yeah. Oh, I don't know what I was going to say. I was looking in my syllabus and like, okay, what am I covering in class today? I'm taking mass communications. And I opened the chapter, and it's video games. I'm having a whole class tonight on video games. I wish he assigned some homework. We've all been playing. That'd be cool. No, but he doesn't. But yeah, so that should be interesting. I'm actually looking forward to the lecture because I've never, ever had a lecture on video games. I've had it on film, TV, radio, you know, the standard mass communications. But I guess because video games are getting so big and blockbuster, that, yeah, now we have a thing on video games. So that's really awesome. So, Dragonfly. I do get sidetracked a lot, hence the term sidetracked. Alright, well I better go before I start getting late for class. Hello. You know, that doesn't feel like spring to me. It feels like summer already. I don't really think Florida has a spring. Or, like, it's winter is its spring, and its spring is its summer. You know it's hot when you get in the car, and you can't touch the dashboard or your wheel because it's hot. And I was like, God, it's hot. You fight through the pain. Hot day. Wish I could go to the beach. You see the sky? Hold on a minute. Alright, sorry about that. You see the sky? Well, now this sky is cloudy. The sky behind me was sky blue. Alright? And it was raining. Only in Florida does it rain with a pretty clear sky. Now I'm running into some of them might be actual rain. Yeah, see, they're actual rain. But before, it's impossible because it was freaking blue sky. Gotta love Florida. Squirrely. That's a big squirrel. Hello, squirrel. Look what else is on our lawn. It's like the wilderness always on the lawn. The other day there was a giant sand crane. Oh my god. It was right here at the door. It was kind of creepy. I think I have the video somewhere else. See if I can find it. Just going because you're in a dark area because of the lens. There's a crane all along. He keeps coming closer.
Hang on, let me get one without a flash here.
And he coming closer.
The door.
Somebody's pushing it. Daddy.
They get close to the bird.
Yeah, they peck. Yeah, they will.
Walk. Just walk. He's looking. He used to come here all the time. Remember?
I'm
And the
going
dog.
to
He's afraid of us.
He's huge.
Yes, he is. Is she?
I haven't really recorded much today because I've just been at home working on my sister's engagement pictures and watching stuff on the internet and listening to stuff on the internet. Like, I don't know if anybody remembers Jeff Takeover. He has a really good podcast with his brother in front of his right now. WeirdJK.com, I think it is. They're pretty funny. I like it. And what else was I doing? Watched some music videos. I don't know. I was bored and distracted. I get distracted really easy, and it's really bad. I want to say goodnight for once, and it's not me. I don't think I've seen you at all today, except for the morning. Now you can see. That's it. That's good night. You're so purple. You look like you're full of energy. I don't feel good. I got a headache, so. But, good night. I think that's all I always do. I like close my eyes and I'm nighty night. Real quick. Look at this. They're gold. They shimmer. Shimmer, 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 shimmer. Gold, 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 gold. I'm gonna put prints on them tomorrow. But it's gold. I love it. I loves it. I loves it. You want gold fingernails? What if I put like skulls on them and stuff?
Not a fan of gold.
It's so cool though. I mean, I'm not usually a fan of gold, but when you put the black prints on, ooh, they look so good. They look good. I'm not crazy. I follow you. Alright. Good night. Don't forget to check out our other vlogs by clicking the corresponding arrows, and please subscribe or screen hear my cry myself into a puddle.